Thank you so much. Good day, people. Today we have another module, account list views. Accounts list view. Please, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel before we begin. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. After that, we shall dive into our first unit. This unit has only 4 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. Read through the notes. We have what an account is and the list view. We have some screenshots. Please go to your playground so that you can familiarize yourself with this. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. True or false? A list view can be shared. This is true. Which of these options can be done from the account list view? Email all account owners, create a new list view, convert an account lead to an opportunity, add a user to an account team. The right answer here is B. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye.